Hi guys.
Hey guys.
There's Noah there. Today I am reviewing this doorbell set here. Comes with one receiver and one of these little buttons here to install on your door. And to install it, it has this little thing here, these sticky pads you're going to place, well, take one of these sticky pads off, place it on the back of there, take this sticky pad and just place it to the wall or the outside area of your door. And it also has these. So I have the doorbell here. So we're going to go over the, let me see, I think there's 50, yeah, there's 52 built-in tunes. There's 4 levels of volume. So, wow. Alrighty. So let's try these tunes. Whoa. That would scare me. Okay, let's see how loud they are. I'm going to first do the tune, and then I'm going to try the volume.
Hello, welcome. Hello, welcome.
Okay.
Hello, welcome.
That one's really loud.
Hello, welcome.
That one's really low.
Hello,
A little
welcome.
louder.
Hello, welcome.
Even louder.
Hello, welcome.
And the loudest.
Are you? And please open the door.
Okay, so I'm going to set it to right there, the second highest.
That's Jaden's music, right? Right? Is it?
Mm-hmm.
That's game music, right? Wait. That's from a game too.
Christmas music. Sounds like a Mortal Kombat music, the video game. That one sounds very relaxing. That one sounds perfect for spring. I like that one. That one will probably be my favorite. I think that's Beethoven.
What's Beethoven? What's Beethoven?
He's a person, a composer. He's made music.
What does this do?
It's the Titanic song.
What's a Titanic?
So, to use this doorbell, I'm going to pull out this little tab here. And now we're going to try it. So it does work great.
What's that? Can I use it? Can I use it? What is this one? What is that, Mama? The first one.
Volume. Hold on, let me place it down. Alright. Let's... Okay. I wanted to talk to you about this doorbell button. To open it, you're going to push this part down, and that is how you install your batteries right there. This is the kind of batteries that it uses. These 23A 12 volt. So you're going to need those kind of batteries to replace it once they get weak. Hold on, Noah. Alright.
Why is there J music on here?
I've heard that before on a commercial.
I hear something. What is that?
Doorbell. Alright guys, now you can see how many songs there are on there. There's like so many to go through, so I won't be able to go through all of them through this video because there's just so many. But anyway, Noah's over here having fun going through them all. But anyway, if you guys want to order one, the link is down below in the description. Thank you so very much to the company for sending me this nice doorbell to review for you guys. If you guys want to order one, the link is down below in the description. And thanks again, guys, for watching.